you all good luck, no? I already talked to you earlier today, and sabi ko, more than the spirit of competition, I think na kailangan mo natin pairalin ngayong hapon. Ito pong samahan ninyo bilang magkakasama sa isang napaka-noble na profession, which is the nursing profession.
Hello everyone! We are the nursing students from Nightingales State University.
And we are here to join the first ever Battle of Nightingales hosted by the St. Elizabeth Hospital Incorporated.
We didn't come here to give TLC on our opponents, we came here for greatness.
SGSU works for success. Animo sa!
My confidence is beyond measure because I know that the students, the group of students we have here, the future nurses that we have here, these are the students who are considered as the cream of the crop.
MPBU, let's go! Hoo-ha! Hoo-ha!
Hello, we are the student nurses of Notre Dame of Tacorong College. 1, 2, 3, go! Pump it, pump, pump it, pump it with the spirit. Keep it, keep that David spirit.
We are from Broken Shore College Stock Surgeon Incorporated. We are the Green Knights, the protectors of life.
We are from General Santos Doctors Medical School Foundation Incorporated. So first thing, we would like to thank the organizers of this event for inviting our school. The event provides an opportunity for different nursing students from different nursing schools to create camaraderie among us.
We are the nursing students from Notre Dame of Marbella University. Through it all, we still prevail, 'cause in our hearts we hold our dreams. Ignite!
Being the winner or the champion of the first battle of the Nightingales, we didn't really expect because we are expecting or we just have this goal na hindi kami malas, pero we didn't expect that we were going to be the winner. So we are really overwhelmed at this moment.
We're very happy po na nakaabot po kami as second placer kasi po to be honest is that hindi po talaga kami nakaprepare since tuloy-tuloy po yung duty namin, and yun po, thank you.
The experience was fun and wholesome, and hindi po namin in-expect na we will be one of the top 3.